This time of year, with football season starting, back to school activities in full swing, and everyone getting on with their normal routines, I bet you could use something fun to serve. How about an ooey gooey pull-apart bread that is downright awesome? The first thing we want to do is cut up a couple of cans of refrigerated biscuit dough and place them in a bowl. To that, we add a blend of shredded Colby and Monterey Jack cheese, some shredded cheddar cheese, and a can of chopped green chilies that we've drained. After that's tossed together, we place it in a baking dish and top it with any of the cheese that's left in the bowl. We pop this in the oven for about 30 minutes, and when the crust is golden and the cheese is all melty, it's time to bring it to the table. My only suggestion is stand back, because one whiff of this and everyone will come running. So here's what I suggest. Go online and get the recipe for our pull-apart cheese bread, so you'll have it on hand when you want something special, but you don't know what to serve. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a fun to nibble on way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. This is hot and cheesy.
It's so good.